Silence is often the best answer to an unasked question. To avoid such, you may use these phrases. No comments. I'm not at liberty to say. I don't have permission to give the information. Wait and see. You will discover the answer later. Let me get back to you. I will give you the answer later. I'm sorry, that is confidential. I'm sorry, that is personal. I would rather not talk about it. It is none of your business, rather rude. Mind your own business. Why do you want to know? And if you want to know more, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.